Imagine waking up one day and finding your bank account overflowing with wealth. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if there were ways to make this dream a reality? Welcome to our journey into the realm of assets that can lead to abundant wealth. We're not talking about the lottery or a sudden windfall. Instead, we delve into the world of strategic and informed choices. Choices that could shape your financial future. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore a variety of lucrative assets, from the tangible like real estate and commodities to the intangible, such as stocks and bonds. We'll also delve into the world of art and collectibles, private equity, royalties, and even venture capital. Each of these assets holds the potential to unlock a treasure trove of wealth. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we delve into the first of these highly lucrative assets. Our first stop on this journey to wealth is the world of real estate. Picture this. You are the owner of a property, a tangible asset that not only provides you with a roof over your head, but also holds the potential to be a consistent source of income. How, you ask? Rent. Yes, rental properties can be a steady stream of income. And over time, as property values rise, so does your wealth. But the beauty of real estate extends beyond just rental income. The property you own today could very well appreciate in value over the years. This appreciation is a silent player, quietly adding to your wealth while you focus on other ventures. And guess what? You don't necessarily need to have a fortune to start. With the right strategy and a keen eye for opportunities, even small investments can yield substantial returns in real estate. Real estate, a foundation for wealth. Now let's move on to our next asset. Next, we step into the high-stakes game of the stock market. The stock market, a bustling marketplace of equities where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. But what are stocks, really? Well, when you purchase a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. As the company grows and prospers, so does your investment. This growth can be seen in two ways: capital appreciation and dividends. Capital appreciation is when the price of your stock increases over time. For example, if you bought a stock for $10 and it grows to $15, you've just enjoyed capital appreciation. Dividends, on the other hand, are a portion of a company's earnings that are distributed to shareholders. This is a nice way for companies to say thank you to their investors. So, if you're patient and wise, investing in the stock market can be a lucrative endeavor. Stocks, a game of risk and reward, but there's more to explore. Now we turn our attention to the treasures hidden in plain sight, art and collectibles. These are not just mere possessions or status symbols, they are investments that can yield significant returns. Imagine owning a piece of art or a rare antique that appreciates in value over time. It's not just about the aesthetic appeal or the historical significance, it's about the potential financial gain. The world of art and collectibles is vast and varied, from fine arts to vintage wines, from rare stamps to antique furniture. Each object has a story to tell, and each story has a price tag attached. These items are often overlooked as investment assets, but they can be just as lucrative as stocks or real estate. They offer a unique combination of pleasure and profit. And remember, it's not just about buying and selling, it's about passion, knowledge, and patience. Art and collectibles, a world of beauty and value, but wait, there's more to discover. Moving on, we venture into the realm of bonds and mutual funds. Bonds are akin to lending your money to an entity, be it a government or a corporation. In return, you receive regular interest payments and your initial investment back at the bond's maturity. They're the steady, reliable friends in the world of finance, providing a balance of risk and return. Now, let's step into the arena of mutual funds. Imagine a group of investors pooling their capital together to form an investment powerhouse. This collective investment is then used to buy a diversified portfolio of assets, spreading the risk and potentially amplifying the rewards. Just like a dependable friend, bonds and mutual funds are there to offer stability in the unpredictable world of investments. They might not provide the same thrill as high-risk, high-reward assets, but they offer a sense of security and consistency. Bonds and mutual funds, your reliable companions on the journey to wealth. But our journey is far from over. Next, we step into the dynamic world of ETFs and commodities. Let's begin with exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are akin to mutual funds, but they have a unique trait. They're traded on stock exchanges just like individual stocks. This allows for greater flexibility in trading, and they often come with lower fees than mutual funds. Now, let's delve into commodities. These are physical goods such as gold, silver, oil, and agricultural products. Investing in commodities can be a smart move as they tend to move in opposition to stocks, offering a hedge against market volatility. For instance, when the stock market is having a rough time, the price of gold often shines. In addition, commodities like oil and agricultural products can be influenced by geopolitical events and weather patterns, adding another layer of diversification to your portfolio. ETFs and commodities, the building blocks of a diversified portfolio. But we're not done yet. Now we unlock the secret keys to wealth: private equity and royalties. Private equity, a world often reserved for the wealthy, holds the potential for substantial returns. It involves investing in companies that are not publicly traded, procuring a slice of potential future success. These investments often require patience and a discerning eye, but they can lead to impressive profit margins. On the other hand, royalties provide a stream of income from intellectual property. That could be a patent for a groundbreaking invention, copyright for a best-selling novel, or a trademark on a popular brand. This income continues to flow as long as the intellectual property is in use. Imagine receiving a check every time a song you own the rights to gets played, or a product using your patented technology is sold. That's the power of royalties. Private equity and royalties, the secret keys to wealth, but we've saved the best for last. Finally, we arrive at the golden ticket: venture capital. It's like a backstage pass to the world of high-potential startups. Venture capital is the lifeblood of these fledgling businesses, providing them with the vital funding they need to grow. But it's not just about the money, it's about being part of the journey from the ground floor to the penthouse suite. Venture capitalists invest in these early-stage companies with the hope that they will grow into industry leaders, bringing with them significant returns. Imagine being an early investor in a company like Apple or Amazon. That's the potential power of venture capital. But it's not all smooth sailing. Startups are risky ventures. They require careful selection, deep due diligence, and a strong stomach for potential failure. Yet, for those who dare to brave the storm, the rewards can be immense. Venture capital, the golden ticket to wealth. But what does this all mean for you? We've explored a variety of assets, each with its own potential to build wealth. It's a vast landscape, brimming with opportunities for those who dare to venture forth. From the tangible solidity of real estate to the volatile excitement of the stock market, the world of investment is as diverse as it is profitable. Who can forget the allure of art and collectibles, the tangible tokens of wealth that appreciate over time in their own quiet way? Or bonds, the sturdy and reliable companions on your journey, offering a balance of risk and return. And of course, mutual funds, the pooled investments in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. A veritable smorgasbord of financial opportunity. Then we have the world of exchange-traded funds and commodities, a realm where physical goods like gold, silver, oil, and agricultural products hold sway. Don't overlook private equity either, the hidden keys to untold wealth through investments in private companies. And of course, royalties, the sweet fruit of intellectual property such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks. Finally, let's not forget venture capital, the golden ticket to high-potential startups. It's high risk, high reward, but the potential payoff is enormous. So, how do you start your journey to wealth? It begins with understanding your financial goals and assessing your risk tolerance. Each asset we've discussed has its own risk and reward profile, and it's up to you to decide where you feel most comfortable. Then it's time to learn. Educate yourself about each asset, understand its dynamics, and keep an eye on market trends. Knowledge is power, so arm yourself with as much of it as you can. Finally, take action. Start investing, start growing your wealth. It's a journey, not a destination. And every step you take is a step towards financial freedom. Your journey to wealth starts now. Remember to comment your thoughts, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others. Until next time, keep investing and keep growing.